Hello friends, welcome to Chowmein's World, and today I will make the chicken egg Hakka Noodles or the chicken egg Chowmein. This is an instant Chowmein which I am going to make, and it is cooked readily in 10 minutes. This is a street style cooking and is yummylicious. So let's get started. At first, I'm going to boil the noodles in hot boiling water. I'm adding salt and then going to add the 2 packets of noodles and going to cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. You can follow the instructions which is readily available in the packet. Once the noodles is 80 to 90% cooked, strain off the water immediately from a sieve, and also I'm going to add cold water in it so that the noodles don't stick with each other. You can also add oil if you want to and keep it aside. As the noodles was having chicken, so I'm marinating the chicken first with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon would do, and mix it well. Keep it aside for 5 minutes or so. Now to make the noodles, I'm adding 5 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil, and then once the pan is hot enough, I'm actually going to keep the flame in high, adding the garlic chopped. As this is a 1 pan meal, so adding the marinated chicken in the oil and going to cook it in high flame for 2 minutes. And then on one side of the wok, I'm going to add the eggs. Just going to crack up the eggs. So I'm adding here 2 of them. And just scramble the eggs well so that the egg is cooked and also the chicken is cooked. You can see that I'm not using any separate pan to do this, and I'm going to do everything in just 1 pan. So this is a very easy and a simple way to make the noodles. You can see that the egg is almost done. It's cooked. Now I'm going to add all the vegetables into it. One by one, I'm adding the green capsicum, the cabbage, the carrots, and the onions. All the measurements of the vegetables and the ingredients you can find in the description box below. I'm going to cook this vegetable and the meat in high flame. You can add any meat of your choice. And now I'm going to add 1 heap of black pepper powder, green chilli sauce, and soy sauce. And of course, don't forget to add salt as per your taste. I'm going to add very little bit of salt because soy sauce is already having salt in it. Stir fry everything well together. You can also add MSG or Ajinomoto. So this is for enhancing the taste. I'm adding pinch of it. If you want, you can just skip it. Now adding the cooked noodles into the vegetables. Stir fry everything well together so that the noodles is well coated with the sauce. Mixing the noodles very well in the wok in high flame, and now it's ready to be served. Serve this noodles completely hot and enjoy it with your friends and family. So friends, do try this recipe and let me know how was it. This is an instant, easy and the simplest way to cook Hakka noodles at your home, and this is exactly you would get in the restaurant. I just can't wait to try it. Oh my god, this tastes so amazing. Do try this recipe and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me in my cooking journey. So keep smiling and happy cooking. Bye bye.